Finite, though secure. Open, still safe. In the hands of a credible air power, IAF, the Indian Air Force. Every Indian breathing under this pleasant blue sky is proud to be protected by the Indian Air Force. By serving the country with the best at every step, the Indian Air Force, IAF, has not only touched the skies but also the heart of every Indian with their righteous deeds. The way IAF has made our living peaceful, a unique concept of luxury living is shaped up by Air Force Veterans Association, AFVA, Gujarat, to make these IAF veterans living pleasant. AFV Residency, a luxurious residential apartments for Air Force, Defence, paramilitary personnel and families. AFV Residency, a luxurious residential scheme with 1, 2 and 3 BHK units is designed with advanced amenities to provide fully facilitated life and living. Grand entrance gate to welcome you, your loved ones as well as prosperity. Attractive landscaping which will force you to love each and every corner of the premises. Swimming pool, basketball court, gymnasium, jogging park and indoor games facilities will recreate you totally and help you indulge in a life you deserve. 24-hour CCTV surveillance to ensure the security of your near and dear ones. Solar panel lights to make ambience eco-friendly. Children play area will support your kids, your future, to grow with joy and happiness. Lift in each block and 24-hour water supply for daily needs and a hassle-free living. A well-designed spacious drawing room full of warmth, pouring feeling of own sweet home. Bedrooms sheltered by comfort and peace for every night. And a smart, perfect kitchen to keep your life partner delightful. All with breathing flow of natural air and light source. The most prime feature which is kept in mind designing AFV Residency is the location for convenience and comfort of the personnel and families of the IAF, Defence and paramilitary forces. AFV Residency is just 4 km from SWARC Air Force, Chiloda and 3 km from Army, BSF, CRPF Camp, Chiloda. Other prime locations such as International Domestic Airport, Gift City, Akshardham Temple, Gandhinagar Railway Station are placed between 8 km to 26 km distance. To be with all the veteran members, AFVA block along with AFVA hall is also planned to be constructed in the same campus. The residency will have 12 suites for senior citizen veterans too. So let's create togetherness. Join and expand our IAF family to grow in comfortable and peaceful environment. Be the first and grab the opportunity to make AFV Residency your proud and precious address. AFV Residency, behind Brahma Kumari, Chiloda to Dehgaam Road, Chiloda, Dabhoda, Gandhinagar.